In the world of ancient technologies and enigmatic artifacts, even the smallest component can spark the greatest questions. Consider for a moment the Laney Riffle Box screw, a term that, at first glance, seems to straddle two distinct realms: the meticulous engineering of musical equipment and the precision craftsmanship of firearms. Yet, like so many mysteries in the annals of human innovation, its very ambiguity opens the door to a deeper exploration of our technological past. Let us begin by peeling back the layers of what we know and what we can infer. In the realm of vintage musical equipment, the Laney brand holds a legendary status. Born in the late 1960s, Laney amplifiers powered the sound of an era, their cabinets resonating on the stages of rock history. Every detail, down to the screws securing the back panels, was crafted with intent. Today, enthusiasts and restorers seek out reproduction 1960s Laney WEM spec domed back panel screws, tiny domed fasteners that are period correct for any Laney cabinet built before 1971. These screws, often sold in sets of 16 to fit the mighty Laney Supergroup 4x12 cabinet, are more than just hardware. They are a physical link to the golden age of music, a testament to the exacting standards of manufacturers who understood that the sonic integrity of a cabinet could depend on something as unassuming as the right screw. But let us not stop at the surface. If we shift our gaze to the world of firearms, a parallel story emerges. Here, the quest for precision takes on a different form. The lever takedown screw, essential to the assembly and maintenance of rifles like the Marlin or Henry, is a masterpiece of functional design. Recent innovations, such as the aluminum bronze lever takedown screw from Ranger Point Precision, exemplify how even today, manufacturers strive for the perfect marriage of durability and aesthetics. Corrosion-resistant and finished in a polished pale gold hue, these screws are engineered to exacting thread pitches, ensuring compatibility and performance that would make any craftsman of the past envious. So where does the mystery of the Laney Riffle Box screw truly lie? Is it an artifact lost in translation, a misremembered term that hints at a forgotten technology? Or is it a symbol pointing toward a broader truth about human ingenuity? Throughout history, the smallest components have often been the keys to the greatest engineering achievements. Ancient civilizations, from the builders of the pyramids to the architects of lost cities, understood that progress was not always linear. Knowledge could be lost, rediscovered, or misunderstood by later generations. Consider the possibility that artifacts like the Laney Riffle Box screw, whether musical, mechanical, or something else entirely, represent the fragments of a larger, hidden technological tapestry. When we examine the domed back panel screws used in 1960s Laney cabinets, we see a through line of precision and care stretching back centuries. When we marvel at the specialized lever takedown screws of modern rifles, we are witnessing the latest chapter in a story that began with the earliest metalworkers and toolmakers. Every discovery, every reproduction part, and every seemingly trivial detail challenges us to reconsider what we think we know about history. The Laney Riffle Box screw, enigmatic as it may be, stands as a silent witness to the complexity of human achievement. It reminds us that technological progress is rarely straightforward. Instead, it is a winding path, shaped by forgotten craftsmen, lost knowledge, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. In the end, perhaps the true secret is this: the greatest mysteries of ancient technology are often hidden in plain sight, waiting for the curious, the meticulous, and the imaginative to uncover them. One screw, one artifact, one revelation at a time. And as long as questions remain, so too does the wonder that drives us to keep searching.